If you just got the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and want to quickly get familiar with its design, where are the buttons, the port, and the S Pen? Let's take a quick first glance at the physical layout of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, so you know your new device better. First, let's look at the front of the phone. The Galaxy S26 Ultra features a large display with a very thin bezel, which makes the screen feel more immersive and modern. At the top center of the screen, you will also notice the front camera places in a small hole in the display. This design keeps the screen looking clean while still giving you easy access to selfies and video calls. Now, let's move to the back of the phone. Here, you can see the main camera system, which is one of the most recognizable part of the Galaxy Ultra series. The camera lenses stand out slightly and give the phone its premium look. Next, take a look at the right side of the phone. This is where you will find the volume button and the side button. These buttons are used to adjust the volume, turn the screen on or off, and perform several quick actions. Now, let's check at the bottom side of the device. Here, you will find the USB-C charging port, the speaker, the microphone, and also the S Pen slot. Speaking about the S Pen, there is something interesting here. The S Pen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra feels slightly smaller, and when you insert it back to the phone, you need to place it in the correct orientation because the tip side has a curved shape. Finally, looking at the overall chassis, the black finish gives the phone a clean and elegant appearance, making the device feel even more premium in the hand. And that's a quick first glance at the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra design. Knowing where everything is located will help you get comfortable with your new phone much faster. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.